SDragon. Brick stitch in the belly. I need to create a 3 bead foundation that will decrease and increase as many times as I need it. So I'm wrapping the brick stitch, or I'm sewing and attaching the brick stitch to this cord that went through my bead. And it's kind of like when you start brick stitch or edging on your like embroidery patterns, you start with the 2 beads, if it focuses. And you want them to be side by side so that their openings are against the cord. So the cord is perpendicular to the openings of the cord. Openings of the bead, words. And you want to do that on both sides of the cord because you have a little tag that will be the tail of the dragon, and you have the main body of the belly for the dragon, and then another little tag on the other end of this cord for where the head will attach after the belly is connected to it. Our friend Something Elf Designs has made a really good tutorial with much larger beads to show how this works. But this is the hardest part to starting an SDragon, is getting the first 6 beads into their proper place. And I'm kind of struggling with getting them to stay on both sides of the cord myself. I have made hundreds of dragons at this point, but this is the toughest, most delicate part of it all. Yeah, they're pearlers, but they're pearlers are beads. They're just melty beads.